Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Ma'am Fatma here with third lecture of SST of class 6. Hopefully all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am fine too. Beside other activities, hopefully you are paying attention towards your studies too. Today in this lecture, we will start chapter number 3, Wind and Cyclone. If we see the title of our chapter number 3, Wind and Cyclone. Firstly, the wind. What is wind, or how can we define a wind? Moving air is called wind. There are two types of wind, gentle wind or strongest wind. Gentle wind is called breeze, which can blow with the speed of 5 km per hour. And the strongest wind is called gale, and it blows with the speed of 200 km per hour. Winds usually blow from one direction at a time, but sometimes they spin round and round in spirals. These are called cyclones and anticyclones. These are both wind systems indicating distinctive weather pattern, but they have opposite characteristics. A major difference is that cyclone is a low pressure system converging air and anticyclone is a high pressure system diverging air. Dear students, open page number 13. You can see the definition and properties of cyclone. Anticyclone. What is a cyclone? Cyclone is a region of low atmospheric pressure surrounded by high atmospheric pressure, resulting in swirling atmospheric disturbance accompanied by powerful winds blowing in anti-clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and in the clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. They occur mainly in tropical and temperate regions. In tropical seasons, the winds can reach well over 200 km per hour in cyclone and result in the immense damage. Scientists have calculated that even a medium strength cyclone has a power of 500,000 nuclear bombs. Cyclones are smaller than anticyclones, but the wind speeds are much stronger. In the center of cyclone, the wind speeds are much less. Weather during a cyclone. Cyclone means bad, stormy weather with a lot of rain. For example, the Bay of Bengal and the coastal areas around it down to the western coast of India are cyclone affected regions. Bangladesh is particularly affected by cyclones which cause a lot of destruction. The deadliest cyclone occurred in the Bay of Bengal near Bangladesh in 1971, which caused a lot of destruction in Bangladesh, and also in 1991 the Bangladesh faced the same kind of cyclone which caused a lot of destruction. What is an anticyclone? It is an area of high pressure. They are made when air sinks downward. The air presses down on the earth and wind moves clockwise around them in the northern hemisphere and anti-clockwise in the southern hemisphere in anticyclone. The weather during anticyclone. Anticyclone means fine, warm and dry weather. The winds are usually fairly gentle. Difference between cyclone and anticyclone. Cyclone spins around anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere. Anticyclone spins around clockwise in the northern hemisphere. Cyclone clockwise in the southern hemisphere, anticyclone anti-clockwise in the southern hemisphere. In cyclone, air pressure on the earth is low. In anticyclone, air pressure on the earth is high. Wind speed is stronger in cyclone, wind speed is gentle in anticyclone. In cyclone, bad weather with lot of rain. In anticyclone, fine, warm and dry weather. Dear students, open page number 14. Tornado. A much smaller but much more violent kind of cyclone is called a tornado or hurricane. These form over the sea and can only be a few hundred meters across, but the wind speed can be as much as 400 to 600 km per hour. The tornado often moves from sea to land, that is, tornadoes sometimes form over the land where it can do a great damage. Sometimes tornado sucks up a vast amount of water from the sea to form a swelling column of water called twister or water spout. In Pakistan, a tornado is called an Andhi when it is over the land and a Tufan over the sea. Very dry places, Balochistan, the twisting column of air sometimes sucks up a huge quantity of sand and is called dust devil. Info box. A tornado over the sea is called a tufan in Arabic, Persian and Urdu. Can you think of another word for tornado or hurricane which you think might come from the word tufan? Yes, another word for tornado or hurricane which have come from the word tufan is typhoon. The word typhoon comes from the word typhoon. It means a great or big wind. Hurricane comes from the word hurricane. It means storm. Two words for typhoon, abundance and similarity. The difference between hurricane and tornado is a typhoon or hurricane originates in the sea while tornado originates on the land. Dear students, here are some book reading questions of chapter number 3. Question number 1 is define wind. Answer is on page number 12. Question number 2, what is gentle wind called? Answer is on page number 12. Question number 3, what is strong wind called? Page number 12. Write difference between cyclone and anticyclone. You will learn the answer of this question from lecture. Question number 5, define tornado or hurricane. Answer is on page number 14. Question number 6, what is meant by twister or water spout? Page number 14. Last question number 7, define dust devil. Answer is on page number 14. Dear students, write these questions on a sticky note and paste on the relevant pages. Page number 12 and mark the answer of question number 1. Question number 1 is define wind. The answer is wind is a moving air. The question number 2 is what is gentle wind called? Answer is on page number 12. The gentle wind is called breeze. You will write by yourself. Gentle wind is called breeze of 5 km per hour. Question number 3. What is strong wind called? The strong wind is called gale and its speed is 200 km per hour. The question number 4 is write difference between cyclone and anticyclone. Difference between cyclone and anticyclone. Cyclone spins around anticlockwise in the northern hemisphere. Anticyclone spins around clockwise in the northern hemisphere. Cyclone clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Anticyclone anti-clockwise in the southern hemisphere. In cyclone, air pressure on the earth is low. In anticyclone, air pressure on the earth is high. Wind speed is stronger in cyclone. Wind speed is gentle in anticyclone. In cyclone, bad weather with lot of rain. In anticyclone, fine, warm and dry weather. The question number 5 is define tornado or hurricane. The answer is on page number 14. More violent kind of cyclone is called a tornado or hurricane. These form over the sea and wind speed can be as much as 400 to 600 km per hour. This is the answer of question number 5 book reading. Question number 6 book reading is what is meant by twister or water spout? Sometimes tornadoes suck up a vast amount of water from the sea to form a swelling column of water called a twister or water spout. This is the answer of question number 6 book reading. Question number 7 is define dust devil. The answer is on page number 14. In very dry places such as Balochistan, the twisting column of air sometimes sucks up the huge quantity of sand and is called a dust devil. This is the answer of question number 7 book reading. Now mark the blank of chapter number 3 Wind and Cyclone. The first blank is medium strength cyclone has a power of 500,000 nuclear bomb. The answer is 500,000. Second blank is in the center of cyclone, the eye, the wind speed are much less. Much less is answer. Bay of Bengal and the coastal area around it down to the western coast of India are cyclone affected regions. The answer is Bay of Bengal and coastal area around it and western coast of India. This is third blank. The next page. Last blank is in Pakistan tornado is called an andhi when it is over the land and a tufan over the sea. Tufan and andhi are the answer of last blank. Note down exercise question. Now open page number 14. Exercise. The first question is work in small groups to collect and present information about cyclones in Southeast Asia. Number 1. Which parts were the most affected by cyclones? Answer is Bay of Bengal and western coast of India. Question number 2. In which season do cyclones mostly occur? In tropical season. Answer is in tropical season. Third question is assignment for you. Consult internet and write the answer of this question from internet. Question number 2 is complete this paragraph. In an anticyclone, the air moves in clockwise direction. This means the pressure on the ground is high. An anticyclone normally means fine, warm and dry weather. The wind in an anticyclone are gentle. In cyclone, the wind moves in anti-clockwise direction. The pressure on the ground is low and brings bad stormy weather. The winds in a cyclone are strongest. The only part where they are different is in center or eye. Here the winds are much less. Cyclones are dangerous because they cause damage. Other names for storms on the land and sea are tornado, hurricane and twister. Dear student, this is all about chapter number 3.